Imagine coming home after a long day, only to find your air conditioner failing on you. It's definitely a nightmare, isn't it? A working AC unit is a must when we're trying to escape Singapore's hot and humid climate at home. One possible reason behind your air conditioner's problem is the compressor. This component circulates refrigerant throughout the system so your unit blows cool air. But over time, dust, dirt, and debris can affect its performance. So let's look at 5 signs that it's time to get it professionally checked. Number 1. Strange noises. One of the first warning signs you might notice is strange noises from the outdoor unit. A buzzing or vibrating sound often indicates loose parts or broken fan blades. Meanwhile, a high-pitched humming can mean failing bearings or parts that are rubbing together. Clicks and clacks often happen when there are broken gears or problems with the refrigerant flow. On the other hand, loose fittings or failing pressure switches lead to knocking and banging. Number 2. Your home isn't cooling properly. An AC unit will take longer to cool your home if the compressor has to work harder. You may also find that rooms aren't cooling evenly. If your system never reaches the temperature you've set, then it's time to call the HVAC technician. Number 3. Water leaks. An air conditioning unit that leaks water to the point that it's causing water stains on the walls and puddles on the ground is a cause for concern. It can indicate clogged tubes, damaged or loose drain lines, or low refrigerant levels. Number 4. A spike in your utility bills. As your compressor works longer and harder to cool your home, the more electricity your AC system consumes. This means your energy bills will increase too. It's best to get it serviced sooner than later if you want to save more money in the long run. Number 5. Your unit is getting old. Most air conditioners last around 12 to 15 years. The compressor will age as well. Its parts will deteriorate over time, which puts the machine under more stress. So don't wait for your AC to completely break down. Contact Kung Fu Helper today and our HVAC experts will get right to work.